Today, I'm putting MSC and Carnival Cruise Lines head to head to see which budget cruise line truly reigns supreme. Let's find out. If you're like many travelers, you probably found yourself scrolling through endless cruise line options, just trying to figure out which one will offer the most bang for your buck. The two cruise lines that come to my mind for budget-friendly options is MSC and Carnival. These are both great options. However, these two cruise lines are designed for two different travelers. Making the right choice between these two cruise lines can mean the difference between a memorable vacation and one you want to forget. Choosing the right cruise line for you might seem overwhelming, but what will you be sacrificing if you make the wrong decision? Would it be a smaller cabin? Is the food quality or options of food going to be a problem? Limited entertainment options? These are all valid concerns that you may have, but I'm here to help you decide. First, we need to discuss what is most important to you. Is it price? Is it destination? Or is it the onboard experience? I've been on both of these cruise lines and I've sailed several ships underneath each cruise line. Both of these cruise lines offer a wide range of itineraries and different ship sizes to meet every desire. MSC has modern ships that are sleek with amazing amenities, and Carnival has very vibrant and family-friendly ships. So, how do you choose which one's right for you? It's definitely difficult. Let's get into what separates these two great budget options. Pricing. This is a major factor for many people, especially with the cost of living nowadays. You want to be able to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. MSC tends to be more traditional cruising. This is a great option for couples looking for a classic style of cruising. Carnival, being known for their classic fun ship, is geared more towards families and the party crowds. Both cruise lines are known for their amenities on board. MSC has the Yacht Club if you're looking for a little bit more of an upscale environment, while Carnival has one of my favorite activities on board, which is movies under the stars. However, though, both cruise lines have great water parks, pools, casinos, and entertainment options on board, just to name a few. So if you're a foodie like I am, then dining is definitely one area to consider. MSC, included in your fare, has the main dining room and the buffet. Several specialty restaurants are available on board, but these do come at an upcharge. Carnival, included in your fare, is the main dining room, the buffet, Guy's Burger, Blue Iguana, Cantina, Pizza Pirate, Big Chicken, just to name a few. There are several included options on board, which is one thing that I think sets Carnival apart. There's also more options on Carnival than there is on MSC. And of course, they do have specialty restaurants on top of that, but those do come at an upcharge as well. So that kind of steps outside of budget. But if you're looking to spoil yourself a little bit, there's options on Carnival to do just that. Design and innovation is important to me when I'm considering which cruise line to sail. MSC is usually one step ahead in innovation compared to other cruise lines. There's a lot of technology on board MSC cruises that you won't find on Carnival. One example on the MSC Virtuoso is Rob, which is a fully robotic bartender. Like, that is just crazy. Royal Caribbean, you have, of course, the robotic bar, but this is a self-sufficient robot that will serve you drinks and mix drinks. That is just crazy. Definitely something to check out. Carnival, on the other hand, has a strong emphasis on family-friendly activities. Carnival was one of the first cruise lines to offer water slides and water parks at sea. There's also game shows in the theater for the whole family to enjoy as well. So Hasbro Gaming definitely has partnered with Carnival, and several options there on Carnival. So when you're putting these two cruise lines head to head, which is the best choice for you? MSC is the better option for those who prioritize modern and upscale cruising experience, while Carnival, on the other hand, is better option for those with family looking for more of a laid back, not as a dressy vibe. So which budget cruise line reigns supreme? Honestly, it boils down to what you are looking for in a cruise. Have you had experiences with MSC or Carnival? Share those in the comments down below. If you're interested in more travel content and comparisons, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for my next video. And in a small world, travel's large.